Hello friends, today I would like to show you how to block and unblock someone on Google Drive. Let's have a look and subscribe my channel for latest tech info. Step 1. How to block someone on Google Drive. First, open the Google Drive app from the app library of your Android or iOS device. Next, click on the Shared tab present at the bottom section of the screen. Now look at the shared file and click on the three vertical dots icon adjacent to the file name that has been shared by the persons you wish to block. Scroll down to look at and tap on the block option from the overlay menu. Now tap on the block option present on the overlay alert to block the person from sharing any files with you on Google Drive. Step 2. How to unblock someone on Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Scroll sideways to look at and click on the People and Sharing tab present on your screen. Scroll down till you look at the Contacts section and then click on the Blocked option situated under it. Now click on the cross icon present on the far right edge of each blocked user files. And that's it. You are done. Thank you for watching.